students, good morning and welcome to the new episode of our English class. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the first and the middle part of our fourth lesson, that is whatever happens is for the best. Lesson 4, whatever happens, H-A-P-P-E-N-S, happens is for the best, Whatever happens is for the best. And in the first part, it is the story of Emperor Akbar. Who is the central character in the story? Emperor Akbar. He is a great ruler. Emperor Akbar is a great ruler and he is known as Akbar the Great. Emperor Akbar is known as Akbar the Great, and there were 9 ministers in his court to assist him in the matters of the kingdom, and they were known as Navaratnas or 9 jewels. The 9 ministers in King Akbar's court is known as Navaratnas or 9 jewels. Among them, the most important was Tansen. Who is Tansen? Tansen is the greatest musician, and when he sang certain ragas, unlit lamps will light up naturally. That is the ability of Tansen. He is the famous musician, and when he sang the raga for rain, it will start rain. That is Tansen, the greatest musician. The second person was Birbal. Who is the second person? Birbal was one of the ministers or one of the person in Navaratnas who assisted Emperor Akbar in the matters of the state. And Birbal is known for his wisdom. W-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. And Birbal was a staunch believer. S-T-A-U-N-C. Staunch means, what is the meaning of staunch? An ardent believer. That means a strong believer in God. And he always says that whatever happens is for the best. Whatever things happens in our life is for the best. Don't regret about the things that will happen to you. And one day when the king was against the wishes of his servants, that means the servants asked the king not to cut vegetables or not cut a hard nut with his knife. Or disobeying his servants, Emperor Akbar tried to open the hard shell of a nut using a knife. As a result of this, his small finger gets chopped. His little finger got chopped off. He was furious. Furious means angry. Emperor Akbar became very angry and he was in pain. After his finger was chopped off, he treated by the physician Hakins in his court. He called for Birbal. Emperor Akbar called for Birbal. Birbal came there and he asked Birbal, my little finger has been cut off. What would you say about it? Do you have any opinion about this incident? With great respect, Birbal said, Your Majesty, whatever happens is for the best. Your Majesty, whatever happens is for the best. This made Emperor Akbar very angry, and he ordered his servants or guards to put Birbal behind the bars. That means to put Birbal in prison. Obeying the orders of the emperor, the servants put Birbal in prison and he was put inside the prison. He was spending time inside the prison. And after a few days, Emperor Akbar went for hunting in the forest. And after some days, the king with his entourage means the people who assist him, entourage went hunting. It grew dark. They were in the forest and they went for hunting, and it grew dark. It became night. The king was separated from his followers, from his guards, G-U-A-R-D-S, and he wandered alone in the forest. The king, that means Emperor Akbar, was wandering alone in the forest. king was got by the local tribesmen in the jungle. Who found out the king? The local tribesmen find out the king. The local tribesmen find out the king, and they wanted to sacrifice the king to their god. The local tribesmen, that means several tribes of people lived in jungles. What is the meaning of jungle? Forest. Several people lived in group in the forest, and they were known as tribesmen, tribal people. Here, the king was wandering alone in the forest, and it was night, and the tribesmen found the king, and they caught the king, and they decided to sacrifice. Sacrifice means Bali. They decided to sacrifice the king to their god. They have some deities to worship, and they, as a part of worship, they used to give human sacrifice. They used to do human sacrifice, and they sacrifice people without any disabilities. They sacrifice people, they have no disabilities. That means a full man. They wanted to sacrifice a full man without any disabilities. So they decided to sacrifice Birbal, and they bring Birbal. So not Birbal, Akbar. They bring Akbar in front of the leader of the tribesmen. That means they have a chief, and they caught Akbar and bring him in front of the chief of the tribesmen. King was being bathed. Jungle. He wanted to sacrifice the king to their god. The head of the tribesmen ordered the person to bathe the king and ready him for the rituals. Rituals means mantras. And the tribesmen, the head of the tribesmen, the chief of the tribesmen ordered the tribal people to make the king bath. Before getting sacrificed, and ordered the tribesmen to get the king bath and make him ready for the rituals. Rituals means mantras. When the king was being bathed, it was found that one of his fingers has been cut off. At the time of bathing, the tribal people found that one of the fingers, that means the little finger of Akbar, has been cut off. The little finger of Akbar had been cut off. The king was taken the chief to the chief of the tribe. What happened later? Later, after being bathed, the king was taken to the chief of the tribes. And the person said to the chief, Lord, this man is not fit for sacrifice to God. This man is not fit. Fit means after. This man is not fit for the sacrifice to God. He is not a complete man. That what is the reason? His little finger has been chopped off. Some part of the little finger has been chopped off. He has the little finger which is cut off. That much portion we stopped in the previous class, and today let us complete the lesson. You please listen to the text and take page number 31. All of you take page number 31. While I was teaching in the class and you were watching in the video, you take the text with you and you take a pencil with you. Okay? He is of no use to us. Let him go. Commanded the chief. Commanded. The new word is commanded. C-O-M-M-A-N-D-E-D is pronounced as commanded. It is commanded. C-O-M-M-A-N-D-E-D. Commanded. While the tribal people take the king Akbar in front of the head of the tribesmen and told him that he is not a complete man. His little finger has been chopped off. And then the tribal people, head of the tribal people commanded. Commanded means ordered. You use your pencils, write the meaning in the text. Commanded means ordered. The head of the tribesmen ordered the other people, the tribal people, to let him free. He is not fit for the sacrifice, and let him free. He can go anywhere he wants. That was the command of the head of the tribal man. Okay, what was the command made by the head of the tribesmen? The head of the tribesmen, commanded means ordered. The head of the tribesmen ordered that this man is not fit for the sacrifice. This man is not fit for the sacrifice, so let him go from here. Let him free. He is of no use to us. Let him go, commanded the chief. The king was taken to the jungle and left there. What did the tribal people do? On hearing the command of the chief, the tribal people bring him to the forest, in the midst of the forest. Jungle means forest. Jungle. Jungle means forest. Jungle. Jungle. The meaning of jungle is forest. They took Akbar in the midst. Midst means in the middle of the forest, and let him go anywhere. Let him flee there. His gods who were searching for him found him, and together they returned to the palace. What did the king do there? The king was in the midst of the forest and he was alone. Then his gods found him. They were searching for the king. They were searching for their king, and they found the Emperor Akbar, and they together means Akbar is with his followers. That means with his gods. Now Akbar and his gods went into the palace. They went into the palace after hunting. They went into the palace. Palace means king's palace. King's Kottaram palace. P-A-L-A-C-E palace. Listen to the spelling. P-A-L-A-C-E palace. I will read that once more. You please listen to the text. He is of no use to us. Let him go, commanded the chief. The king was taken to the jungle and left there. The king was taken to the jungle and left there. His gods who were searching for him found him, and together they returned to the palace. As soon as the king reached the palace, he ordered the gods to release Birbal. Release means set free. Release means set free. Listen to the word R-E-L-E-A-S-E. Release. R-E-L-E-A-S-E. Release means set free. What did the emperor do? After he came from the hunting, that means when he returned to the palace, the king ordered his gods to release Birbal from prison and bring him to the court. To release Birbal and bring him in front of me. That was the order made by Akbar. Emperor Akbar ordered his gods to release Birbal. Release means he was in prison. So said, let him free. Release, open the prison and bring Birbal to the court. That means in front of Akbar. Forgive me, Birbal. Apologize to the king. What did you do? Forgive me. F-O-R-G-I-V-E. Forgive. F-O-R-G-I-V-E. Forgive me, Birbal. Forgive. Pardon me. Pardon me. Forgive me. P-A-R-D-O-N. Pardon me. Forgive means pardon. You please forgive me. I am in an ignorant state. Then I was angry at that time, and so I asked the gods to put you in prison. Forgive me. Who asked these words? Emperor Akbar told these words to Birbal. Forgive me, Birbal. Apologize to the king. Apologize. A-P-O-L-O-G-I-S-E-D. Apologize. A-P-O-L-O-G-I-S-E-D. Apologize to the king. Maapapekshikkuka. Apologize. Forgive me, Birbal. Apologize the king. It is a fact, he said, that whatever happens always is for the best. What did Birbal told in the previous day when the little finger of the emperor was cut off? Birbal told that, Your Majesty, whatever happens is for the best. Your Majesty, whatever happens is for the best. Now Akbar realized the truth. That what was the truth? Whatever happens is for the best. That was the truth. Now Emperor Akbar understood the meaning of what Birbal had said. But what Birbal had said, and he now took apologies. He now asked for apologies from Birbal. Apologies, Birbal. Apologies the king. It is the fact. He said that whatever happens always for the best. For had it not been for the cut finger, I would have been a dead man. If my little finger is not cut, if I was a complete man, my head was not here. Now I was sacrificed. I will be sacrificed to the God. The tribal men will sacrifice me to their God. That is the main reason they let me free, is that my little finger was cut off. You said that whatever happens is for the best, and then I couldn't understand the meaning of that. But now I realize that you said was correct. What you said was correct. And now I am taking apologies, and I am asking for apologies. And forgive me, Babel, apologize the king. It is a fact, he said, that whatever happens is for the best. Always happens always for the best. For had it not been for the cut finger, I am not telling it for the cut finger, then I think that you are saying about my cut finger, the chopped off finger. But now I realize that it is not been for the cut finger, I would have been a dead man. If my finger was not chopped off or cut off, I will be a dead person now. Yes, your majesty, said Birbal with the folded hands. What did Birbal say? Is he angry with the king? No, Birbal is not angry with him. With the folded hands means like this. He folded his hands and bowed the king. Your majesty? Yes, your majesty, said Birbal with the folded hands. What is the spelling of folded? F-O-L-D-E-D. Folded. F-O-L-D-E-D, folded. With the folded hands, he said that, and if you would not have put me in the prison, I would have been with you, and they would sacrifice me instead. You are also doing a good. You put me in prison, that happens for my goodness, for the good of me. Why Birbal is saying like that? If you are not, you did not put me in the prison, I will also accompany you to the forest. Then whenever we went into forest, I will always be with you. Then if you are not fit for the sacrifice, then they will sacrifice me. That is the truth. Then you did a good job. That is also for a good. Yes, your majesty, said Birbal with the folded hands, and if you would not have put me in the prison, I would have been with you, and they would have sacrificed me instead. Instead means at the place of you, Pagaram, instead. I-N-S-T-E-A-D. Instead means for you, instead of you, ningalku pagaram. Instead, Lord is great. That means God is great. He is great. And I repeat, whatever happens is always for the best. Whatever happens is always for the best. That is the words of Birbal. Whatever happens is almost for the always for the best. That means whatever God man proposes and God disposes. We think that tomorrow we will went to we can go there and we can purchase so many things. But God is the man who determines the things. God is the man who determines the things. If God did not want us to go outside, there will be so many reasons for that. He will create so many situations favoring that. That means God will do the things for us, and whenever something bad happens to us, we are not blaming God. We are in the habit of blaming God, but don't blame God for doing worse to us. W-O-R-S-E, worse to us. He will decide for a better thing. He will He is planning for a better future for us. Okay, whatever happens, hard thing happens in your life is always for the best. God will. If there is a hill, if there is a earth, there will be a hill. That is the saying. Whatever happens is for the best. These words are spoken by Birbal to Akbar. And I will read it today's portion once more. You please listen to the text. The king was taken to the chief of the tribe. The peasant said to the chief, Lord, this man is not fit for the sacrifice to God. He is not complete. He has a little finger. which is cut off. He is of no use to us. Let him go, commanded the chief. The king was taken to the jungle and left there. His guards who were searching for him found him, and together they returned to the palace. As soon as the king reached the palace, he ordered the guards to release Birbal and bring him to the court. Forgive me, Birbal, apologized the king. It is a fact, he said, that whatever happens always for the best. For had it not been for the cut finger, I would have been a dead man. Yes, your majesty, said Birbal with the folded hands, and if you would not have put me in the prison, I would have been with you, and they would sacrifice me instead. Lord is great, and I repeat, whatever happens is for the best. Adapted from stories of Akbar and Birbal. There are so many incidents in the life of Akbar and Birbal like this, and this is an adapted story from the stories of Akbar and Birbal. The stories of Akbar and Birbal. Okay, then let us have a look at the vocabulary ladder. Or you want to read me once more? Okay, I have read the whole lesson once more. You please listen to the text. Okay, please listen. Page number 28. You please listen to the text. Emperor Akbar was a wise ruler. He was called Akbar the Great. The people of his kingdom loved and respected him. He was a just ruler with a good sense of humor. He had a great respect for learned men. Though everyone respected him, they were afraid of him too. If anybody did not obey his commands or went against him in any manner, he would not think twice before punishing them. He had many wise ministers. In fact, he had 9 ministers who were known as 9 Detnas, meaning 9 precious jewels. Among them was the greatest musician Tansen. It is said that when he sang certain ragas, and little lamps would automatically light up, and when he sang the raga for rain, it would start raining. Birbal, one of the 9 jewels, was known for his wisdom. He was also the king's favorite. His way with the words always left the king amused. Birbal was a staunch believer in God. He would always say that whatever happens was always for the best. One day, when the king, against the wishes of his servants, tried to cut a hard nut with a knife, his little finger got chopped off. He was furious. He was in pain. After his finger has been cut off or treated by the hakims, he called Birbal. Birbal, said the king, my little finger has been cut off. What would you say to this? Your Majesty, whatever happens is always for the best, said Birbal. The king was enraged. He ordered the guards put Birbal behind the bars. Birbal was thus put in prison. After some days, the king with his entourage went hunting. It grew dark. The king was separated from his guards and wandered into the forest all alone. The king was caught by the local tribesmen in the jungle. They wanted to sacrifice the king to their god. The head of the tribe ordered a person to bar the king and ready him for the rituals. When the king was being barred, it was found that one of his fingers had been cut off. The king was taken to the chief of the tribe. The person said to the chief, Lord, this man is not fit for sacrifice to God. He is not complete. He has a little finger which is cut off. He is of no use to us. Let him go, commanded the chief. The king was taken to the jungle and left there. His guards who were searching for him found him, and together they returned to the palace. As soon as the king reached the palace, he ordered the guards to release Birbal and bring him to the court. Forgive me, Birbal, apologized the king. It is a fact, he said, that whatever happens always for the best. For had it not been for the cut finger, I would have been a dead man. Yes, your majesty, said Birbal with the folded hands, and if you would not have put me in the prison, I would have been with you, and they would sacrifice me instead. Lord is great, and I repeat, whatever happens is always for the best. Adapted from stories of Akbar and Birbal. This is the end of our lesson, and you read the text. So every day I am telling you this. Just reading is most important, and you read the text so many times as possible. It is very important, and you read the text every day. If the class comes to you or not, that is not the matter. You read the text, every text, almost all the text, you read one page one day from each text. That is a good habit. You develop the habit of reading. Reading is very important, and you can develop your vocabulary by reading. Okay, I hope all of you read this chapter and you enjoy the story. Okay. Okay, now let us have a look at the meanings. You please listen to the class. First word is wise. You listen carefully. Spelling W-I-S-E. Wise. What is the meaning of wise? Wise means common sense in practical matters. That means if we have a common sense of practical matters, we are wise. A common sense in practical matters. Common, C-O-M-M-O-N, common sense, S-E-N-S-C, sense in practical matters. In practical, P-R-A-C-T-I-C-A-L, practical matters, M-A-T-T-E-R-S, matters. Common sense in practical matters, that is wise. The meaning of wise is common sense in practical matters. Practical matters, that means in our practical life, we have to apply our common sense. In so many situations, we have to apply our common sense. That is known as wisdom. That is known as wisdom. Wise meaning common sense in practical matters. Next word is staunch. It is a new word for you. S-T-A-U-N-C-H. Staunch. The word is staunch. S-T-A-U-N-C-H. This pronounced as staunch. The meaning firm and dependable. F-I-R-M, firm. It is not bending. Firm means strong and dependable. 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 Firm and dependable. That means a staunch believer in God. That means his belief is very strong and we can depend on him. We can depend on him. That means I have a belief that God is great and I have a strong belief in God and I can depend on God at any circumstances. That is the meaning of staunch is firm and dependable. D-E-P-E-N-D-A-B-L-E. Listen to the spelling. F-I-R-M. Firm means strong and dependable. We can depend God. We can depend God. Able to depend is dependable. The next word is infuriated. I-N-F-U-R-I-A-T-E-D. Infuriated. Listen to the spelling once more. I-N-F-U-R-I-A-T-E-D. Infuriated. T-E-D. I-N-F-U-R-I-A-T-E-D. Infuriated means very angry, ferocious. He is in an angry mood. Very angry, feeling very angry. V-E-R-Y, very A-N-G-R-Y, very angry. Infuriated means very angry, very furious. He became very furious on hearing the words of Birbal. Emperor Akbar became very furious. What was the word said by Birbal? Whatever happens is always for the best. Akbar, at first Akbar thought that he is telling about the chopped finger and Birbal is telling about the chopped finger. So he became very angry. And what was the order of Emperor Akbar? Emperor Akbar ordered his guards to put Birbal in prison. Next word is enraged. Next word is enraged. E-N-R-A-G-E-D. Enraged. E-N-R-A-G-E-D. Enraged. Marked by extreme anger. That means at the topmost position marked. M-A-R-K-E-D, marked by extreme anger. That means the uppermost level. Extreme, E-X-T-R-E-M-E, extreme anger, A-N-G-R-E-R, anger, extreme anger, marked by extreme anger. That is enraged. Enraged means marked by extreme anger. Then last word is encourage. Listen to the last word. E-N-T-O-U-R-A-G-E. Encourage. What is the meaning of encourage? It's a new word for you. You listen to the spelling and study it on the same day. Encourage. E-N-T-O-U-R-A-G-E. Encourage means a group following and attending to an important person. That means our Prime Minister is Narendra Modi and he is followed by a group of people wherever he goes. They are called encourage. That means escort. Encourage means escort. A group following. A-G-R-O-U-P, group following. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, a group following and attending to following and attending, A-T-T-E-N-D-I-N-G, attending to an important person, to an important, I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, important person, P-E-R-S-O-N, person. These are the meanings in the lesson and you study this part also. Okay, I will read it once more. Wise, common sense and practical matters. Then second word is staunch, firm and dependable. Staunch means firm and dependable. The next one, infuriated. That means very angry. Infuriated means very angry. And enraged, E-N-R-A-G-E-D. Enraged means marked by extreme anger. Then encourage, a group following and attending to an important person. These are the meanings in the text. You read the text so many times and also study the tough words and their meanings. Okay, today let us stop here and continue in the next class. And this is the end of this episode. You read the text so many times and wish you all the best. Thank you.